Good morning, and I'm Soumitra from Mineral Water Project Information. So we've been covering various aspects right from the groundwater to maybe packaged drinking water, bottle cost. Then a couple of videos we have shot about the business model canvas and many things which are coming up. One thing which I can surely tell you that with emergence of more and more bottling units, and you can say safely that it has come to some saturation level. So people have to come out with newer and newer models. So there are certain other professions also emerging with this. So two things of note which I can tell you, that I recently read a news that there is a lady water sommelier. So what is sommelier? So sommelier is actually the term has been from wine sommelier. There are various people who test wines and they are experts in wine. I am not much aware of it. But so water sommelier is something like that. Somebody who is very well known in the field of testing waters and he can understand waters very well. And there is an institute also called Fine Waters. Okay, there is a website called Fine Waters. So they are actually training the people on water. So I mean, good, bad, we can't comment on that. That is emergence with time. Anything which goes and advances in life. So you can see various branches. So one lady, female sommelier, water sommelier has come out in our country, India, and earlier to that there was also a male sommelier. So this is a new profession. So you can just check out with the link. So there is the link for the article is actually given in the description. You can check that. And the thing is, I just wanted to tell you, as we are raising the subject of fine waters, this is a website which talks about various kinds of waters. So we only know two waters that is approved by the BIS, at least I am aware of it. One is the packaged drinking water, which is the 20 rupees wala water which we regularly consume, and other one is the natural mineral water, that is par 60 rupees per 500 ml. So you can say one is a thirst quencher of the ordinary people like you and me, and one is a thirst quencher for rich people, maybe 60 plus. So sometimes we also need to buy that sometimes. And there are some other waters like lemon water, flavored water, then alkaline water, then volcanic water, whatever, I mean, spring water, then many various types are there. So these all other waters are, all over the world. It is accumulated on the site called finewaters.com. I am not vouching nor I am advertising for that site. I am just educating my people what are the professions which are coming in the water business. So if you too are interested in some things, do try out at least the newer models. You can definitely try, like getting it done from somebody and doing it, co-packing, that is one more model. So you need not have your plant always, or vice versa. The people who have got plants, what they can do is they can always try, hiring out their facility for the people who do not have that much budget. So that is hiring out for co-packing. So this is also one more kind of thing which you can try it out. So stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and so that you can get all the intimations in your email. And definitely to get it, you have to press the bell icon, so you will not miss a single thing. Okay, the website for our company is mineralwaterprojectinformation.org. The link is given. What we do, we provide trainings for the early people and also the consultancy for getting your water business plans executed. So thank you so much. I'm Soumitra. Stay tuned.